Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to set up OBS for recording. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to set up the OBS for recording, first open up the OBS on your computer. Like I have already opened the OBS, and after opening your OBS, you'll be shown a similar kind of interface with the scenes, sources, audio mixer, scenes transitions, and the control settings. First, head to the scenes over here on the left side of the screen. Add a scene. I have already added a scene. You can see you can add a scene by click on add, and after that, the dialog box to add scene will be available too when you right click on over there. And after that, adding a scene, choose your sources to that scene from over here. Either you want to capture the display capture, which I'm recording the OBS studio currently, add over here, and you can see again right click on the empty space on the sources tab, and you will be able to add different media sources to your OBS studio. For example, I'm recording the display capture. You can record games, your browser, your window capture, your video capture device, your VLC player, any other media players from over here. And after that, after adding your media source on over here to the sources tab, add your audio input or your audio output capture if you need one. And audio input is the section on which your audio which you are speaking will be recorded, and audio output is the section the audio output from your PC will be recorded. And if you want these two are application audio capture on the beta itself, if you want these audios on your stream or recording, you can choose these audio like this and click on OK, and you'll be able to choose your audio input capture. Like myself, it is the Realtek audio. Click on OK, and here's the audio. You can see on the mixer there is the audio capture device, and as well as mic and /aux on connected on the audio mixer. And after choosing your display or your video source and your audio source on over here, you can see the audio mixer. You can set your scene transitions from over here, either to cut, fade, or swipe, slide, stinger, fade, color, luma, wipe from over here. And after setting all this up, click on start recording to record your videos, and you can see after the recording you can see the stop recording button available over here. Click on over there to stop recording your videos. And guys, this is how you set up your OBS studio to record your videos, or use your OBS studio for recording videos. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.